Okay, Priscilla. Okay, so here is the email I sent you. Here's your email saying that you didn't know why you couldn't log in. So let's try. Okay, so I click on the link there in the email. So I'm just going to copy and paste from here, right? See what happens. Let me log out here. Get rid of my login details, and then we paste, and then we go back to our email. Control C on the keyboard. Paste. Takes a little bit. And there we go. So here we are. So here you are. Here's the course. Okay. You click right here. Of course, it's going to show like you haven't done anything. Like I said in my email yesterday, this is the module that we're in right now. I would focus on these for right now, and then once you get caught up, maybe over the weekend you could kind of go through these two units. This is our forum area. You click right here, and then this is the forum discussion for this week. So you click right there, and then here's my instructions, and then you click right here on reply. You type your answer, and then click reply, and then go through. I've posted a couple more activities to make sure you read all your course mates posts and that type of thing. And to reply to any particular course mate, all you got to do is click on reply here. Okay. If you have any more problems, let me know. Okay. Thanks. Bye.